Being joined by Aditya Arora, who is the founder and multi-asset research analyst at Adlytick. Hi Aditya, very good afternoon and thank you so much for your time. First of all, help us with your take on the benchmark indices because believe that you were not holding that positive stance on the markets. Given the fall, Aditya, help us understand how do you see the markets moving ahead? Are we in for some more correction or the markets can find some ground here?
Very good noon to everyone. Look, today tables have turned it's an important pivot point because since last 20, 30 days, mid caps and small caps were underperforming and large caps were outperforming. Today, it's an important reversal day wherein large caps are underperforming. Look at Reliance Industry. It has given up all the gains which it had made on Friday. So that is important. Hence, and look at other IT majors also, they are also underperforming. So from today onwards, 26,500 is an important mark, which was a high for Friday. Post that gap up, we have filled that gap and we are still continuing with the downside. So I believe now 26,400, 26,500 is an important resistance point on Nifty futures. Until that is not taken out, one must have a bearish stance on the market. Good news is that all the people who were waiting on the sidelines to deploy cash, they have a good news that Nifty may soon hit lower levels, which could be around 26,700, sorry, 25,700 to 25,300 on Nifty futures. So I think there's more downside of 300 to 700 points on Nifty, and same is true for Bank Nifty, and it's a good shorting opportunity for bears.
All right, so you believe that there is more scope for underperformance when you talk about Nifty and Nifty Bank. Very good afternoon to you, Aditya. Cheryl on the other side. But what's your take then coming in for the broader markets? Because today they are definitely trying to shine brighter, at least showing the way of where the money is being deployed, looks like it in this downturn.
Yes, very good afternoon. Look, some pockets are doing well. Just look at Nifty metal space. JSW Steel is hitting new high. So I like that candidate from Metal Pack. And Adani Enterprise is also doing well. Just to point out how that being a high beta, very sensitive stock is outperforming the market. But I'm not, specifically saying that I'm bullish on Adani, but just showing the texture of the market. But if I have to pick one stock, then it would be JSW Steel from the metal pack. But overall, if we talk about small cap and mid cap space, I feel that somewhere down the line, if Nifty will correct, Nifty mid cap and small cap will also give up their gains and they could fall with 2x beta. So I don't remain very optimistic on Nifty mid cap and small cap space. In fact, they are one of the most overvalued pockets of stocks. So they are most vulnerable right now. One should avoid them at these levels. At lower levels, they can definitely be bought, but it's not the right time to buy small caps and mid caps.
Right, that's the take on the mid and small end of the market, and Aditya also shared some of the stocks that he's tracking at this point. But Aditya, also help us understand the move that we are witnessing on the cement counters. You just flagged off a couple of Adani group of counters, and from the pack, ACC Ambuja are doing pretty well today. But apart from that, stocks like Dalmia Bharat are also on the roll. Any stock from the cement sector, Aditya, that you wish to highlight or that's looking attractive to you?
I think Ambuja Cement looks good. So, with such a negative market texture today, it's outperforming with 1% gain. So, with this relative strength concept, we can go long on Ambuja at 644. One must maintain stop loss at 633 and target should be 655 to 670.
So that's a take coming in on the cement pack and the pick that you like there. Any other picks, Aditya, you have for our viewers today?
I don't have long stocks today because as I have bearish view on the market, so I'll give long when market will fall little more.
So that's the take coming in on the markets and also Aditya's view because he has a little bit of a bearish stance at this point in time when we talk about the benchmark indices. Thank you so much, Aditya, for joining us on the show, for giving us your take on the markets and where you see the markets are headed from here on, where actually Aditya is of the view that there could be some more possibility of a downside when you talk about the benchmark indices and Nifty Bank as well. But
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.